Welcome to English Story Journey. Today, we will talk about the education system in America. Introduction. Education is the backbone of any successful nation, and in the United States, education plays a powerful role in shaping the country's future. The American education system is known worldwide for its flexibility, diversity, innovation, and global influence. From elementary schools to world-class universities, America's education system prepares students not just to memorize facts, but to think critically, creatively, and independently. 1. Structure of the American education system. The education system in America is divided into several levels: elementary school, middle school, high school, and higher education. Education is compulsory for children, usually from ages 5 to 18. This structured yet flexible system allows students to grow step by step, building both academic knowledge and life skills. Schools are managed at local, state, and federal levels, giving communities the freedom to adapt education to their needs. 2. Focus on critical thinking and creativity. One of the strongest features of the American education system is its focus on critical thinking rather than rote memorization. Students are encouraged to ask questions, share opinions, and challenge ideas respectfully. Class discussions, presentations, projects, and group work help students develop confidence and communication skills. This approach prepares students for real-world problems, not just exams. 3. Diversity and equal opportunity. America's education system reflects the country's diversity. Students from different cultures, races, religions, and backgrounds study together in the same classrooms. Schools promote equality and inclusion, offering programs for students with special needs and language support for immigrants. Although challenges still exist, the goal of equal educational opportunity remains a core American value. 4. Role of teachers and modern teaching methods. Teachers in the United States play an important role, not just as instructors, but as mentors and guides. Modern teaching methods include the use of technology, digital classrooms, smartboards, and online learning platforms. These tools make learning interactive and engaging. Teachers encourage creativity, teamwork, and independent learning, helping students develop both academic and personal skills. 5. Higher education and world-class universities. American universities are among the best in the world. Institutions like Harvard, MIT, Stanford, and Yale attract students from every country. Higher education in America offers a wide range of choices, allowing students to select majors, minors, and career paths based on their interests. Research, innovation, and practical experience are key strengths of American colleges and universities. 6. Emphasis on extracurricular activities. Education in America goes beyond textbooks. Sports, arts, music, debate, drama, and community service are important parts of student life. These activities teach leadership, teamwork, discipline, and time management. American schools believe that education should develop the whole person, not just the mind, but also character and confidence. 7. Challenges in the American education system. Despite its strengths, the American education system faces serious challenges. High college tuition fees, student loan debt, and unequal access to quality education are major concerns. Differences in funding between rich and poor communities affect school quality. Addressing these challenges is necessary to ensure that every student has a fair chance to succeed. Preparing students for the future. The American education system aims to prepare students for a rapidly changing world. Emphasis on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, known as STEM, helps students compete globally. At the same time, schools stress ethics, responsibility, and civic awareness. Education is seen as a lifelong journey, not just a phase of life. Conclusion. In conclusion, the education system in America is powerful, influential, and constantly evolving. It values freedom of thought, diversity, innovation, and personal growth. While it faces challenges, its strengths continue to shape leaders, thinkers, and innovators who impact the world. Education in America is not just about earning degrees, it's about building futures, strengthening democracy, and shaping the global society of tomorrow.